Hello and welcome to Nature's Ayurveda. Let's see what this trusted Ayurvedic brand is offering for us. Brand story of Nature's Ayurveda. In present times, Ayurvedic medicines and herbal products command tremendous respect worldwide because of their safety and superior results in offering healthy lifestyle. A strong foundation has been built by our commitment, dedication, vision and hard work. As a result, we have got the national recognition and a certification of GMP. We assure our professional approach and dedication to offer best quality herbal Ayurvedic products that work best for various health problems, and also to motivate people to choose healthy lifestyle by choosing them. Nature's Ayurveda is one of the fastest growing Ayurvedic herbal products company. It is one of the best online Ayurvedic store that offers 200 plus Ayurvedic medicines online. All our herbal Ayurvedic products are 100% natural and chemical free, safe to consume and offers various health benefits. We have launched various product lines to offer the best suitable Ayurvedic supplements for all our individuals. First, Ayurvedic herbal powders or organic powders. These days, people are aware of benefits of various herbs and are in constant search of them. Keeping this need in mind, Nature's Ayurveda has come up with Ayurvedic powders which can be easily utilized in numerous home remedies. Along with herbal Ayurvedic powders, Nature's Ayurveda also offers organic powders that are in huge demand, especially in the modern generation. Second is green food supplements. Nature's Ayurveda offers a wide range of green food supplements which are inclusive of wheatgrass, spirulina, barley grass, etc. All these green food supplements work magically to fulfill your daily nutritional needs. We have also combined some of the most effective green foods to create a unique green formula in a tablet form. Third is herbal Ayurvedic formulation. If one herb has multiple benefits, then imagine combining various herbs to offer ultimate benefits. Our R&D team has worked on this approach and has come up with unique herbal Ayurvedic formulations. To improve the effectiveness, we have also added some bioenhancers. First is medicated cow ghee formulation. In these formulations, we have used pure A2 cow ghee along with herbal blend to offer maximum benefits. Second is Ayurvedic formulation with natural bioenhancers. In this, we have used natural bioenhancers along with the herbal blend to improve the overall effectiveness of these supplements. Fourth is herbal tea. What if I tell you that drinking tea every day can bring a dash of health in your daily living? Yes, it is true because Nature's Ayurveda has come up with herbal tea. It is 100% sugar-free and comprises of various healthcare herbs. It works great for cough and cold, sugar and weight management, etc. Fifth is single herbal supplements. Do you know that any extract of any herb has an ability to improve effectiveness of any supplement? Yes, it is true because herbal extract contains active components. And by combining herbal powder and herbal extract in a tablet or a capsule form, Nature's Ayurveda has come up with a beneficial range of single herbal supplements. Sixth is natural personal care. In this modern lifestyle, people are in constant search of natural herbal solution for their hair and skin care. Keeping this in mind, Nature's Ayurveda has come up with natural personal care range which is free of any chemicals. Visit the shop today to buy all these products online. Best Ayurvedic products are just one click away. So visit www.naturesayurveda.com.